Good day to you all. In today's lesson, we carry on from where we ended in Comptia Core 2 220-1202. We are doing part 2 of Windows configuration. Make sure to watch till the end and take notes where possible, as this lesson is going to help you for preparation for Core 2 220-1202. Welcome to another lesson of Technology for All Academy, an academy that teaches information communication technology for free. To mention but a few, we have Cisco and Microtik series, and we'll be doing other vendor series in the future. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Makobe, the founder of Technology for All Academy. Without any waste of time, let's begin our lesson. The first question says, which of the following is the primary purpose of File Explorer in Windows? A. To manage and organize files and folders on the computer. B. To configure system settings and user accounts. C. To troubleshoot hardware and software issues. And D. To monitor system performance and resource usage. Let me remind you again, like I always do in other lessons. Please make sure to answer the questions before you can check the answers. And with that said, the answer for our question is A. Let's click on confirm to hear the explanation. And it says, File Explorer is core component of Windows operating system designed to allow users to navigate, manage, and organize files and folders. It provides a graphical interface for accessing storage drives, creating folders, moving files, and viewing hidden files. Explanation for the wrong answers. Configuring system settings and user accounts is primarily done through the Windows Settings app or the control panel, not File Explorer. While File Explorer allows access to files, it does not handle administrative tasks like a user account management. Next, troubleshooting hardware and software issues is typically done using tools like the Device Manager, Task Manager, or dedicated troubleshooting utilities in Windows. File Explorer is not designed for troubleshooting purposes. And now lastly, monitoring system performance and resources usage is the function of Task Manager or Performance Monitor in Windows. File Explorer is focused on file and folder management, not system performance monitoring. Let's continue. A user needs to access a hidden system file to troubleshoot an issue on their computer. They open File Explorer but cannot see the file in the directory. What should the user do to make the hidden file visible? A. Open File Explorer options and enable the Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drive option. B. Right-click on the directory and select Unhide the System Files from the context menu. C. Use the Task Manager to locate and unhide the file. And D. Open the control panel and enable Show System Files under the System Settings. And the answer is A. Open File Explorer options and enable Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives option. Let's click Confirm to see the explanation. And it says hidden files and folders can be made visible by enabling the Show Hidden Files, Folders, Drives option in File Explorer options. This is the appropriate step to access hidden system files. And for the wrong explanation, there is no Unhide System Files option available in context menu when right-clicking on a directory in File Explorer. Hidden files are managed through File Explorer options, not through right-clicking menus. Next, the Task Manager is used for managing system processes and monitoring performance. It does not have any functionality for locating or unhiding files in File Explorer. And lastly, the control panel does not have a specific Show System Files option under the system settings. The correct method of viewing hidden file is through File Explorer options. Let's continue. Our third question says, a user reports that their laptop is not behaving as expected when they close the lid. Instead of going into sleep mode, the laptop continues to run, draining the battery. You need to analyze the issue and determine the correct steps to resolve it. What should you do? A. Open the control panel, navigate to power options, and adjust the choose what closing the lid does settings. B. Open File Explorer and enable the System Sleep Mode option under the File Explorer option. C. Use the Task Manager to force the laptop into sleep mode when the lid is closed. And D. Open Windows Settings, navigate to Display Settings, and enable Sleep Mode on the lid close. And the correct answer is A. Let's click Confirm to see the explanation. And it says system behavior, such as what happens when the laptop lid is closed, can be configured through power options in control panel. Adjusting the choose what closing the lid does settings allows you to specify whether the laptop should sleep, hibernate, or do nothing when the lid is closed. And for the wrong explanations, File Explorer is used for managing files and folders, not for configuring system power settings. There is no System Sleep Mode option in File Explorer option. Next, Task Manager is used for managing processes, application, and system performance. It does not have the capability to configure power settings or control what happens when the laptop lid is closed. And lastly, Display Settings in Windows Settings are used to configure screen resolution, orientation, and other display-related options. Power settings, including lid close behavior, are managed through power options in the control panel, not display settings. Let's continue. And our fourth question says, which of the following options can be configured in the File Explorer options in Windows? A. Enable dark mode for File Explorer. B. Hide extensions for known file types. C. Adjust screen resolution. And D. Manage user account. And the correct answer is B. Let's click Confirm to see the explanation. And it says, hide extensions for known file types is a specific setting available in File Explorer options. It allows users to hide or show file extensions for known file types, which can help in identifying file types or simplifying the display of file names. This setting is particularly useful for users who want to customize how files are displayed in File Explorer. And for the wrong explanations, enabling dark mode is not setting found in File Explorer options. Instead, dark mode is a system-wide appearance settings that can be configured through the Windows Settings app under Personalization. Next, adjusting screen resolution is not related to File Explorer options. Screen resolution settings are managed through the display settings in the Windows Settings app or control panel, not within File Explorer. And lastly, managing user accounts is not a function of File Explorer options. User accounts management is handled through the Windows Settings app or the control panel under User Accounts. File Explorer options are specifically for configuring how files and folders are displayed and managed in File Explorer. Let's go to question number 5. And it says, which of the following best describes the purpose of indexing options in Windows? A. To configure user account permission and security settings. B. To manage how and where Windows searches for files and folders. C. To adjust the display resolution and the screen brightness. And D. To enable or disable system updates and patches. And the correct answer is B. To manage how and where Windows searches for files and folders. Let's click confirm to read the explanations. And it says, indexing options in Windows are specifically designed to optimize and manage the search functionality. It allows users to configure which location and the file types are indexed, making searches faster and more efficient. And for the incorrect explanation, it says configuring user accounts, permission, and security settings is managed through tools like the user account settings or the security and privacy settings, not indexing options. Next, display resolution and brightness settings are managed through the display settings in Windows, not through indexing options. And lastly, enabling or disabling system updates and patches is handled through the Windows update settings, not indexing options. Last but not least, question 6 says, a security cautious user limits what usage data Windows permits to collect. They also limit what device functions it enables and for which apps. And the question says, where does the user accomplish this? A. User accounts. B. Instant search. C. Privacy settings. D. Versa. And the correct answer is C. Privacy settings. Let's click confirm to check our explanation. And it says privacy settings govern what usage data Windows is permitted to collect, what device functions are enabled, and for which apps. There are multiple settings toggles to determine what data collection and app permission are allowed. And the incorrect one says the user account applet in control panel is the legacy interface. It cannot be used to add new account, but that does provide options for adjusting the account name and changing the account privilege level between an administrator and a standard user. Next, in Windows 10, in addition to Start button, the taskbar contains the instant search box. And lastly, DisplayPort was developed as a royalty-free standard by the Video Electronics Standard Association (VESA), which is an organization that represents PC graphics adapter and display technology companies. Take note, there are incorrect explanations for each question asked, but that does not mean they do not apply to Windows configuration. That is why I always stress taking notes, and you can use your notes for practical purposes also. With that said, hope this lesson was beneficial and informative. And if you benefited a lot from this lesson, please don't hesitate to share with someone who can also benefit. And last but not least, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell in order to be notified whenever we drop another lesson. With that, let me love and leave you. Have a blessed day. Thank you.